Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY British Pound Japanese Yen for 29th March 2021. So this analysis is for 29th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 30th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And I would like to mention one thing, instead of just providing the buy and sell signals, okay, I also teach you where you should buy, why you should buy. Okay, I teach you the levels and how you should understand the market psychology, because I want you to learn. Okay, the main motto and main purpose of this channel is to educate you. I want you to become an independent trader. That's why my videos are long and boring. Hopefully you won't mind if you want to learn. Okay, so let's jump to the chart. As you can see, market has reversed from this level, 148.55 level. As we all know, whenever we get to see a V, it's a reversal sign. But here's a but. The but here is that market is in overbought zone right now. So this is not the ideal position to buy. This is not the ideal position to buy also. This is not the ideal position to sell also. Though market has reversed from here. Just try to understand. Okay, suppose you buy here. Okay, you place the buy order. Okay, you got greedy. Okay, and you place the buy order here. Where will be the stop loss? Because there is no position to put your stop loss. The stop loss will be here, and this will be your take profit target, because market has resistance here, so this will be your take profit target. So your stop loss is big. Stop loss is bigger than the take profit. Okay, so this is not the good position to buy. And in case you short the market also, okay, in case you short the market here, okay, then this will be your stop loss, this will be your stop loss, and this will be your take profit target. Fine, this position is kind of better, but just look at this strong uptrend. If you short the market here, you'll be going against the trend. Okay, and you'll be violating the first rule of the market, and that is trend is your best friend. You're just fighting with your best friend right now, so you'll be going against the trend. So what should you do then? If you watch my previous videos, and you know it pretty well that I prefer to trade from level to level to curb out the risk. Okay, so in this scenario, okay, I'll be telling you, or I'll be following mainly two strategies. Okay, so as you can see, this is the resistance of the market, 152.57. Okay, 152.57 is the resistance, and 148.55 is the support of the market. This is the support, and this is the resistance. So I'll wait for the market to go either upside or downside. Okay, so first strategy is, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, then just watch the price when it will be near the 152.57 level, or near this level. When market will be near this level, just observe the price and try to understand the market psychology. Okay, if you see that price is struggling, price is unable to go up, price is finding it very difficult to cross this level resistance, then it will be clear to us that yes, this is still a valid resistance, and you can short the market below 152.57 level. And on the other hand, if it crosses the level, okay, crosses the level, then wait for 2-3 hours and just observe the price. Just try to understand the market's psychology. Yes, I always say it about market psychology, because yes, market psychology is very important. Probably market understanding the market psychology is the most important thing for a trader. Okay, just wait for 3-4 hours and just observe the price. Okay, if you see that after 3-4 hours market is trading comfortably, it's facing no struggle above this level, then you can go for buy. Okay, because the resistance has become the support now. Okay, so this is the strategy number one that you can follow for GBP JPY. Strategy number two is, wait for the if market comes down, or wait for the market to come down. Okay, then when market will be near the 148.55 level, again try to understand the market psychology. Just observe the price. If you see that market is respecting the support level, okay, if market if you see the market is getting price rejection from below, market is making um, higher highs or something like a green big candle, a bullish engulfing pattern, then it will be an indication that yes, 148.55 is still a valid support for the market, and market is still respecting the support. And when market will reverse from here, just buy above the line. And if market crosses the level, okay, if market crosses the level, wait for 3-4 hours again, just observe the price. If you see that after 3-4 hours market is trading comfortably below the level, below the support for 3-4 hours, then it will be clear to us that support has become the resistance now. Here resistance became the support, and here support became the resistance. Okay, so in that case you can short the market. So these are the two strategies that you can follow for GBP JPY. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow again. All the best, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.